Hi guy, today I did king prawn sauce with sweet pepper assorted with all the spices are required and chili and puree tomatoes. Look at it. And I'm having it with roast sweet potato. It's already roast. So I'm having it tonight as my dinner. I put some butter at the back of the sweet potato to roast it in the oven. So now it's cooked, ready to eat. Look at it. Sweet potato. I love my sweet potato. I love sweet potato a lot. So it's ready to cook. Baked, look. Baked. Baked in the oven. It's very healthy than the white one sometimes. So I eat, variety of potato, but I like sweet one. So it's ready. I'm gonna be having it with this king prawn sauce. Ready sweet potato. So guys, keep going to the concombre below there and subscribe. Leave your comments. Okay guys, and stay blessed, stay safe, and finger crossed we're all gonna overcome this pandemic or whatever they call it. We overcome it. We will overcome it. So keep subscribing guys, and keep washing your hands, improve your hygiene please, and stay blessed. And thank you, and bye.